Well guys, unfortunately I learned a lesson today, and that is that my wife does not appreciate having more than 7 bikes, like that's a number, in the garage here. The back corner I have my 81 CB750 under the cover there, daughter's PW50, daughter's XR50, the wife's CR80 that she says isn't hers anymore because it's too wild for her, the son's PW50, my dirt bike, the Husqvarna, the Triumph Daytona. I've got another 3 or 4 bikes in the house. 4 bikes in the house, 3 in the basement, 1 in the bedroom. And today I picked up a 2004 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider. It's the FXDLI. It's fuel injected. Pretty good buy in my opinion. A good price. Picked up for 7,500 bucks. It's only got 15,000 kilometers on it. Pretty good shape overall. A few little things that need to be worked on. The forward controls there are pretty hideous and not what I want there. So I'll put some mid pegs on. Hey buddy, you like my daddy's new bike?
Yeah.
What is it?
Harley.
Harley, yeah buddy. My first Harley. So anyways,
Black one?
yeah, black one, yeah. Anyways, we'll get it offload there, fire it up, we take it for a little ride around the block, put it in the garage, and start building it to make it into something cool. What's that, buddy? You want to go for a ride in the Harley?
Yeah.
So you like it, yeah? All right. Well, at least someone likes it. Maybe not the wife, but the 3-year-old son does. So anyways, get up close there. As you can see, the bike, it's not perfect. I'm told the bike sat in the guy's living room for 9 years. Only has 15,000 kilometers on it. Overall pretty good, so I'd say that's pretty true. Got Vance and Hines full pipe on. Guy burnt his pants on there, so I'll need to polish that off. All the chrome bits need some rubbing, but they definitely clean up nice. These forward controls, as I mentioned, are pretty hideous, and a little bit of rust around the hardware on there, but nothing that won't clean off. We'll get those taken off, get some mid pegs put on there, get some different risers on there. Those look to be about 4-inch. I'll go for about 9 or 10-inch, or at least 8-inch. Possibly change the bars, but we'll see. I would have preferred that this had mag wheels instead of spokes, but I'll live with these. Front's in pretty nice shape. Back here, still hasn't been cleaned that well, so needs to be polished up. Hard to get focused in there. But make a few hours of scrubbing it down, polishing, paint. I'm guessing it's been repainted, but maybe not. It appears to be black, but up close it's a candy red. Again, hard to focus in there. So, fire it up. I'm going to take it for a little boot around the block, just to show you how it runs and to see for myself how it runs, how it feels. And then park at the garage, and not right away, but once I have the funds, we'll start building this up into a nice looking Dyna. Hey buddy. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so after taking it for a little ride there, bike feels good. However, those forward controls are absolutely terrible to use. Way too far forward, even for my legs, especially with this huge air cleaner on there. I think that's an R1S or something similar. Happy it's on there, but with the forward controls, your knee hits that, and hard to get on the pegs. So we'll get some mid pegs on there. That'll be the first thing we do. Next is probably handlebar risers and maybe handlebars, and then possibly rear shocks. We get those up a little higher. The bike isn't sitting so low. I know it is a low rider, and that's how it's intended to be, but not what I'm going for. Front signals, might keep those on, but not crazy about them. Again, we'll need to do some polishing, like the corrosion you see there on the lower fork tubes. Also, should mention these are the original tires that, although they have lots of tread, definitely need replacement. And there you have it. It is a very tight garage. Well guys, I'm going to hope that you think this purchase of the Dyna here is cooler than what my wife thinks of it. And I'm going to assume so, meaning that you're watching this video, but if not, sorry for your luck.